Top 4 portfolio websites every creative must know. 1. Behance. Want to create a professional portfolio without coding or spending money? Let me show you how to build a stunning portfolio using Behance completely free. Behance is used by millions of designers, video editors, and freelancers. It's run by Adobe, and it's a great place to get noticed by clients and agencies. That's it. Now you've got a clean, creative portfolio live on the internet ready to impress anyone. Two, Adobe Portfolio. If you already use Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro, you might not know you're getting a free website builder included. It connects with Behance, looks premium, and you don't need to code anything. 3. Card. Need a fast, one-page portfolio that looks modern? Card is the best minimalist option. Perfect for editors, freelancers, Instagram creators. Fast, free, and clean. 4. Super So. Want an aesthetic, modern website made from Notion? This method is super easy and looks amazing. Use Fruition for a fully free version. Needs a little more setup, but zero cost.